When you work in Excel, you may need to zoom into the document as well as zoom out. In this video, we will learn a few ways to do this. Let's dive in. The first zoom method that we'll look at is the slider, which is located at the bottom right of the status bar. If you look to the right of the slider, you'll see it says 100%, which is the current zoom level. Now, if you want to zoom further into this sheet, you can select the slider with your mouse and then drag it to the right to zoom in. You can see that the current zoom is now 147%. Now, if we want to zoom out, we can just drag the slider to the left, and you can see that the zoom level is now 80%. I will just move this back to 100%. A second method is the ribbon. You can also adjust zoom levels using the ribbon. To do this, click the View tab, then go to the Zoom group, then select Zoom. This launches the Zoom dialog box, which has magnification zoom levels from 25% to 200%. Let's select 75%, then click OK. The sheet is now at 75% zoom level. Now let's go back to the Zoom dialog box, and this time let's select 200%, then click OK. The sheet is now zoomed into 200%. Next, click the 100% command in the Zoom group. This returns the sheet to a 100% zoom level. Now select the Zoom command to launch the dialog box once again. Let's look at some other options that are available. We also have this fit selection option, which I will discuss in a minute. Let's take a look at this custom option, where you can specify a custom zoom level from 10% to 400%. Let's specify 50% and click OK. Now the sheet is zoomed to 50%. Let's take this back to 100%. If you want to zoom into a specific selection within your sheet, you can highlight it like this and then click Zoom to Selection in the Zoom group, and then it zooms into that specific selection. I will return this back to 100%. Method 3, Control key plus the mouse wheel scroll. If you have a mouse with the wheel, you can use this method. Simply press the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it down, scroll the mouse wheel forward to zoom in and scroll it backwards to zoom out. I will zoom it back to 100%. The fourth method is a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Control and Alt key at the same time and hold them down, and then press the plus key to zoom in or press the minus key to zoom out. I personally prefer to use the Control mouse wheel method or the Control Alt key plus minus. I just find it faster and simpler to use, but it's really up to you what you prefer and what suits you best. Please comment below which zoom method in Excel you prefer. In this video, you learned multiple methods to zoom in and out of Excel. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.